I was changing the tire on this Ranger Ev, and while I was spinning a bolt, then while I was changing the tire of this Ranger, this stud here gave out. I don't know if you can see, but it stripped, and I tried and the nut won't tighten anymore. As you can see, the nut is also damaged, so we need to replace that. What we'll need to do is take off this brake pad and the brake caliper held by those bolts behind there. There's 2 up and there's 2 down, so we'll get those loosened up. There, we got the bolt loosened. Now let's try. I was trying to loosen it with the ratchet, but the head was too big, so we're going to power button. Let's see. Yeah, it's not able to, so I have to find another tool. I got this other battery now because the little one, it wasn't holding up and it got discharged, so I got the 5 amp and see if it gives it any more power. Right. Take 2. Let's see if it can loosen it with the bigger battery. Oh, there we go. It loosened.
Right off.
It has blue Loctite, as you can see, or thread locker. That's probably why it was so tight. This one also did. Alright, so we need to loosen these bolts here in order to take off the brake disc. So let's see if I can do it again. I think it's gonna have a hard time. Let's try again. It's having a hard time. I'm gonna go get a wrench. Alright, I got a wrench. Let's try to loosen. Ah, they're on there. I got a wrench attached to the wrench, so I'm gonna try to loosen it now. It's on there pretty good.
Are you tightening?
Yes, I am.
What?
There we go. Now we can loosen it. That's the impact of that. That's stripped. Little thing doesn't have enough torque. Have to keep trying with the wrench. It was way too difficult to take the brake disc off, so we decided that we were gonna cut the bolt off since it's just a little bit of clearance missing. So yeah. Now that it's cut off, we can take the stud off.
Done.
And there it is. Since I didn't know that it had these splines, I'm not sure we can find that in the hardware store. So we'll be grinding the threads and making new ones with the die next. We have the bolt tightened up on the vice grip, ready to grind the threads off, and then we're gonna make new ones.
Almost. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
That'll work. As you can see, we just grinded the threads off, so now it's time to make new ones with the die. Now that we got it all grinded up, we're gonna make new thread with the tap, and this is an M9 tap because before it used to be M10. So we grinded it down and made it M9. We're going to do M10 because M9 was too difficult.
Too small.
Yeah, it was too small and it wouldn't go in. The M10 seems to be working fine. The next day, yesterday we were trying to make new threads with a tap on the other stud, and it didn't work very well. The tap wasn't functioning properly, so I have an idea to make another stud. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but here it has two spacings. So if I were to bend a threaded bolt 90 degrees, it would hit here and prevent it from spinning, allowing the bolt to tighten. So that's what we're going to try next. In order to bend the bolt, we're going to use this little hydraulic press homemade thing that my brother made. Hopefully it works. Okay, I got the bolt there. Let's start lifting it. I wasn't able to record myself welding this, but it has a bolt welded to it on a 90-degree angle, and it doesn't let it spin, which makes it a stud. We got the tires spinning now. This is the final part of the repair. We're done.
And it doesn't hit the caliper at all. We saw it disappeared, so it's good.
Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more Ranger content, let me know in the comments.